हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू कुछ डिजिटल। तो पिछले वीडियो में हम लोग मेंसुरेशन ऑफ सॉलिड डिस्कस किए थे, क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड का। तो आज हम लोग उसे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करेंगे। तो चलिए पहले प्रॉब्लम देख लेते हैं। नंबर 1, द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए क्यूब इज 216 मीटर स्क्वायर, फाइंड द वॉल्यूम। सो सरफेस एरिया is given, surface area that means S is given 216 meter square. Now we have to find the volume. So we have to find the volume of the cube. So to find out the volume of the cube, first of all we need to know the edge, that means the side A. So to find out A, we know that surface area for a cube equals to how much? 6 into a square. That means this is the formula of surface area of a cube. Now this is given as 216 meter square. So 6 a square equals to 216. So a square equals to 36, or a equals to plus minus 6. So a length of a side cannot be negative. So therefore a equals to plus 6 meter. Okay. Because a side cannot be negative. So we rule out the minus 6. Now we got the length of each side. So now to find out the volume, we know the formula. The volume of a cube is a cube. So volume of the cube, let it be denotes by V. So equals to a cube equals to a is how much? 6. So 6 cube, that means 216 meter cube. So the surface area and volume in this case is same. So volume of the cube is 216 meter cube. So that's how we have to find out. If surface area is given, we have to find the length of the side, and vice versa. If your volume is given and you have to find out the surface area, same thing you have to do. That first of all find out the side of the cube and then put in formula, will we get the surface area. Okay, so now let's move forward to the next problem. Now the next problem is from cuboid. So let me tell you the problem first. Dimension of a cuboid is in the ratio 1:2:3. So dimension of a cuboid means its length is to breadth is to height. This ratio is 1:2:3. 1:2:3. Okay. Now surface area given 88 meter square. So surface area equals to 88 meter square. So find out the dimensions of the cuboid. So what you basically need is the length, the breadth and the height. We need to find out each of them. So first of all, let's assume length is x. Let me x. Then what will be breadth? Breadth will be 2x and height will be, because they are in ratio 1:2:3, so the common factor, let the common factor be x. So length is x, that means 1x or x, breadth is 2x and height is 3x in corresponding to the ratio. Okay, now we got length, breadth and height. So now what is the formula of the surface area for a cuboid? So surface area, that means S equals to we know that 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So that's the formula. So now or 88 equals to 2 into length is x, breadth is 2x, so 2x square plus breadth into height, that means 6x square plus length into height, that means 3x square. So 88 equals to 2 into 6x square plus 3x square plus 2x square, that means it's 11x square, or equals to 22x square. Now x square equals to, it will be 4. Okay, therefore x equals to 2. Okay, now as we get x equals to 2, then we can easily find out length, breadth and height. So length is x, that means length equals to 2 meter, breadth equal to 2x, that means 4 meter, and our height is equals to 3x, that means 3 into 2, that is 6 meter. So this is our answer. This is the dimension of the cuboid. Okay, so we have solved one problem from cube and another problem from cuboid. Now next move to the another problem. Now the next problem is again from cuboid. The problem is that dimension of a box is given 30 into 40 into 50 centimeter. So dimension of a box is 30 into 40 into 50 centimeter. Now find the cost of tin required for manufacturing 20 such boxes if the price of tin is rupees 10 per meter square. As this is the dimension, so this is the length, this is the breadth, and this one is height. Okay, now we have to find out the cost of tin required for manufacturing 20 such boxes. Now to find out the cost of tin, first of all we need to find out how much tin is required in making 20 such boxes. Okay, so to find out how much tin is required, mainly we need to find out the surface area, because when you are making a box, the surface area of the cuboid is actually the amount of tin required to make the box. So what will be the surface area of the one box? Let it be S. It means surface area of one box. It will be 2 into, length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. So this is 2 into length into breadth, that means 1200, length into height, that means 1500, plus breadth into height, that means 2000. So equals to, this is 3500, that is 9400 centimeter square. So this is the surface area. Okay, now let's convert it to meter, because price of tin is given in per meter square. So to convert it to meter, let's divide by 10,000. So after dividing by 10,000, we will get meter square. So this is comes to be 0.94. meter square. So this is the surface area of one box. Now we have to manufacture 20 boxes. So for 20 boxes, surface area for 20 boxes equals to 0.94 into 20. That means 18.8 meter square. Now we have got the surface area of the 20 boxes. That means we got the amount of tin required. For 20 boxes is equals to 18.8 meters square. Now price of tin per meter square is rupees 10. So price for 1 meter square equals to 10. Therefore price for 18.8 meter square equals to rupees 10 into 18.8. That means rupees 188. So that's the cost of making 20 boxes of dimension this. Okay, so we have solved another problem from cuboid. So आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो फिर आप लाइक कीजिए, और अगर आपको कहीं पे दिक्कत हो रहा है तो कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ, और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. बेल आइकन को ऑल में रखिए ताकि आपको सारी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आती रहे. सो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. थैंक यू.